we've made it to Sand Hollow for UTV Takeover. Are you stoked?
Yes, I'm very stoked, yes.
Good. It's nice, the weather's nice. It's cooled down a lot here. I think there's gonna be a lot of bad weather this week.
It's supposed to rain, yeah.
It's supposed to rain, a little nervous, but
it's okay because we are in a new rig.
Yeah, so we got some new merch, guys. So check it out on our website. Go to Desert Side by Side. Go to the description below. You can get on that link right there. But some turbo and shot kits. Side by Side Club is what they say on them. So hope to get you all there. But we are gonna go check it out. I mean, all these events at UTV Takeover, we are here. We're about a day later than we wanted to be, but we are here. We're gonna have fun. They do all this really cool stuff, such as like some, rally on the rocks, some rock crawling stuff. They have a ton of guided tours. And then like some sand drag. Some short course stuff. Wheelie contest.
Yeah!
All sorts of stuff. So these guys knock it out of the park when it comes to these events. It's really, really awesome. Even if, I doubt we really ride that many miles this week because the events are so fun. Like, I just want to do the event, right? But it takes time. You need to be there in advance and this and that. But it's a great time. So we'll show you guys some of the really sweet stuff going on over here at UTV Takeover. It's a blast. I highly recommend, especially the Sand Hollow one, just because you get a little wild, like you just get a lot of different things that you get to do.
For the land of the free, and the home of the brave.
Here at the wheelie contest, there was 15 people doing it, and they all got 3 tries. I tried to show everybody's best, and a couple others if they did really good.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines for the Wheelie Fest. When I say UTV, you say Takeover UTV. There we go. Track is hot. We're going to get 3 hits each. The longest single wheelie wins it. Come on, Sean. There we go. 125 feet! Up next, he did a test hit. TV Obsession Matt! Trying to be 125 feet. 172 feet, new leader! 50 feet. Let's get it.
Yeah!
4-seater. 204 feet.
I got absolutely blasted.
This was good.
22 feet.
Who's the most?
You, 205.
Oh, I'm Lennon?
I've never even seen anyone go over 200 before.
Current leader in a 4-seater, 205 feet. Here he comes, Alan.
Yeah!
Like a motherfucker. Talking for lays with the
194 feet!
love it. Yeah, they all get what they desire from it.
That's my boy, Blue! Glad I didn't get showered by him again.
74 feet! Low real performance! Here comes Matt!
I'm through with the 4.8.
Hey, crowd! Oh, almost into the crowd.
Right on.
His furthest is 51. He's 155 more feet. Let's get it. Dallas. Who would think a four-seater would be in the lead at a wheelie competition at 205 feet? And trying to go forward. Let's get it, Dallas.
Here's my boy, Blue! Let's go, Dallin!
Wheels to the sky. 143 feet. He's a little excited. Huckfest is next. Oh, he's been building for 2 months. Colton Barbie. 59 feet. Here we go. Nothing to something, not one. 168 feet. We have a four-seater. That is our final contestant. He's already won. But he's going to do one more wheelie for everybody here. Make some
Go, Dallin!
noise for
Come on! Yeah! Yeah! 205, but he was beating the second place by about 30 feet. Yeah. In a four-seater. Yeah. Yeah! Woo! Hell yeah!
My man, make some noise for Darwin. What a show! What a show!
That was awesome. What was my number?
205 was the longest jump. 187 was the last one. How you feeling, my man?
This is awesome. Great time. I love this spot. I love UTV Takeover. It's a great event. I love coming here every time, and the wheelie is actually a great hill this year. So good job.
Beautiful. This ain't the first time we've seen you. You've been at other events, right?
Yeah, I went to the Coos Bay one. We did a big Pro AFI build on this with a big turbo kit.
Beautiful. Who's your team, man? Who you want to thank?
Pro AFI, UTV Takeover, and the crowd that's here. Thank you guys.
So make some noise for our Wheelie Fest champion. Good work, brother.
He's August. 1, 2, and 3. All three.
All three top.
My 4-seat Pro R with the Pro EFI build, an MTS suspension, an RPM tank on there, I was able to get the top 3 longest wheelies. So this was awesome. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And let's check out the Huckfest now.
Where did that shit come from?
Previous Huckfest champion with the throttle test hitting Colton Bivey. Spectators on the track. If you're a spectator on the track, we can only assume that you're a Biden fan. Coming in hot, Stitchy Greg in the house. Get it, buddy! Hey, boy! 110 feet. Wheeling it up to this. Next, Caleb. Trying to beat 117 feet. Awesome. So 117 feet. I know we have some legit jumpers in here. How do you make it happen above all them?
Wide open.
Wide open, he says.
Shoppers like the Nickel J and Chubb shot together. We got to read about the leader. She know even.
Let's get some people in here. Push this guy down the hill.
I mean, maybe she won't, and again, maybe she will. I can push that she know the deal, real. That she wanna fuck up. You already know the only thing was
Yeah.
There we go.
That's it.
Dustin Bivey! Come on, Richard, get some fuel behind that. Oh, he's coming in hot. Let's go, baby!
Let's go. Send it.
109 was the distance to beat. I said it wrong earlier. 109 distance to beat. His jump, 110 feet. New leader! Sean coming in. Let's go, baby! Make some noise for Sean! Richard and Keaton, father-son duo. Awesome job, awesome job. I'm going to start with non-turbo class. Keaton, my man, how old are you, brother?
I'm 14 years old.
14-year-old out here cookie monstering all you fools. How you guys feel about that? Richard, first place turbo class by a foot. 110-foot jump. How you doing, my man?
It was a rough landing, but we're happy we made it.
Guys, we thank you guys. 6 o'clock, we got some trophies for you.